Hi, this How to 1 Minute will show you how to chat with My AI in Snapchat. To get My AI feature on your Snapchat, first of all, you have to update the Snapchat app. So go to your Play Store or App Store and search for Snapchat. Here, if you see any update available, first of all, update your Snapchat app. Once done, go ahead and launch your Snapchat app and go to chat section. And here you should see My AI. Just tap on My AI. And now you can start messaging with My AI. You can ask any question and your My AI will give you a accurate answer, as you can see. And that's how you'll be able to chat with My AI. To customize your AI, tap on Customize My Personality. And here you'll be able to add bio for your AI. And to change your My AI name, tap on your avatar at the top left. And here tap on Customize. And now you'll be able to edit your My AI avatar, outfit avatar. Now to change your My AI name, again tap on your avatar, tap on this three dot, tap on Manage Friendship, tap on Edit Name, and then you will be able to change your My AI name. So this is how we can chat with AI in Snapchat. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.